I, Dr. S. Harpal, Assistant Professor of Zoology Department, Jamshedpur Women's College. Today I will teach on digestive system of prawn, which is in our prescribed syllabus of UG1 SEM2 subsidiary course. Digestive system of prawn. Student, you know prawn comes under Crustacea, aquatic insect, and it is also used by the student in its practical purposes also to dissect and display its nervous system, digestive system. Now, in its alimentary canal, in that diagram it has shown the alimentary canal of prawn, Pelemon, in lateral view. This is the whole alimentary canal, which includes three parts: foregut, midgut and hindgut. Foregut includes mouth, esophagus and stomach. Stomach is demarcated as cardiac stomach, cardiac part of the stomach, and pyloric part of the stomach. Cardiac part comparatively larger part than the pyloric zone, pyloric part, and this is present in the cephalothorax part of the prawn. The midgut and hindgut present at the abdominal zone. So, first of all, we come in its mouth, the entrance of the alimentary canal through which it takes its food, and it is provided with its labium, labrum and lateral mandibles, by which it collects the food, grind, masticate the food and pass it to the cardiac part of the stomach. Cardiac stomach, the larger part of the stomach, which is shown here in lateral longitudinal sections of the cardiac stomach, which show some plate, circular plate, lanceolate plate and Harsted plate. Cardiac circular plate present at the top zone, lanceolate plate present below the circular plate, and at the middle of the part of the stomach is the Harsted plate, which provided with some ciliated cells surrounded by comb plate and externally by two lateral folds. This is controlled by valve, and below the Harsted plate, that is cardiac and pyloric opening. The lateral fold also contains guiding ridges at the lower part near the cardiac pyloric opening, So this is the whole of the cardiac stomach, which diagram in longitudinal section is shown here. And this is the pyloric stomach, whose lateral longitudinal section has been shown here, which shows dorsal chamber and ventral chamber. This is pyloric part. So mouth, esophagus and stomach includes under foregut. Midgut is the tubular part of the alimentary canal, which starts after pyloric part of the stomach and extends throughout the 16 abdominal segments. The midgut extends up to the 16th abdominal segments, long isodiametric tubular structure. The hindgut includes rectum and anus. At the last of its, after the end of the intestine, it contains one swollen parts, that is rectum, and opens to outside, and this opening is known as anus. So the whole alimentary canal is divided into foregut, midgut and hindgut. This is representing here in that diagram. This part is the cephalothorax, which includes mainly the foregut part and partly the midgut, and abdomen zone includes maximum but more part of the midgut and intestine, and at the back of it there is rectum, anus under hindgut. Now we will know regarding its food and feeding. Prawn by nature is omnivorous. That means it feeds all. All means insect larvae, mollusks, some vegetation, zooplanktons, phytoplanktons, etc. under its food. Food is ingested through mouth, and its mandibular plate present on the mouth parts masticate, charm the food particles, and it comes into the stomach. Prawn seeks its food at night. That means by nature it is nocturnal. Under food habit it is omnivorous, and it prefers to collect the foods during night. I means nocturnal in habit. There is very important parts, that is hepatopancreas, which is orange, yellow color mass compared to the pancreas, liver and intestine of the higher organisms. This hepatopancreas part secretes enzymes which digest carbohydrate, protein, fat. Because just I have told you that prawn is omnivorous. It feeds all, I mean carbohydrate containing food, protein containing food, fat containing food. So the respective foods should be digested with its respective enzymes, and all the respective enzymes for carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion and fat digestion are secreted from that part, hepatopancreas. It is present at the junction of cephalothorax and abdomen. The hepatopancreas, I mean pyloric part of the stomach, to last of the cephalothorax zone is enclosed by this mass, that is hepatopancreas, which is very special and authentic and important in case of prawn, as it secretes the respective food digestive enzymes, and the enzymes secretes and pass through the duct, when a lobular duct are there, which opened into the pylori part of the stomach. So this hepatopancreas is very important for the digestion of the food. Now, after digestion of the food with the help of the enzymes of hepatopancreas, there is the question of absorption. So generally absorption of food takes place in its intestine zone, where the digested food are absorbed by the inner mucosal layer of the intestine, and the rest undigested food, which is not fit for absorption, it is now ejected or excreted out through the anus via rectum. So this is the total of the food digestion, absorption and egestion of the mechanism of the digestive system or alimentary canal. So you see that is the lateral view of the prawn, which is showing the alimentary canal and its different parts, which are mentioned here, and details, two diagrams are there, which indicates cardiac part of the stomach, pyloric part of the stomach, representing here. So this is all about the alimentary canal of prawn. Okay, thank you.